websites without your knowing. But today, with Bing, you are able to find your AI performance. Yes. As you can see, it shows your total citations and the pages. You can find it by your queries to your site or through the pages. So you can see exactly how many citations. And when you click on it, it also shows you the dates when it ranked high in citations and when it went down, and what the grounding query was when people were searching, and what type of intent. Was it informational? Was it learning to solve something? So that can be very helpful for you when you're updating that content on those pages. You can also do a site scan, another really great tool inside of Bing Webmaster Tools. I love it because it also shows you some errors and warnings that you may not otherwise see on other webmaster tools like Google. So I really like that feature. As you see, I've got some errors here to work on, or I can redo the scan for July because that was back in June, and I usually do them right away. So that's something I will be checking on. Then you can also check out your search performance on Bing, which of course is different than on Google. And you'll find different ones do better on one than the other. I see a lot of different ones here showing up at the top versus what I'm seeing on some of the ones on Google. So setting up your Bing Webmaster Tools is very easy, similar to Google, might be actually a little bit easier. You just have to verify your sites to get them up. And you've got the crawl control, and you can verify things. And it's really a great tool. You can do keyword research on here. As you can see, some keywords, they just suggested to see what those were because they were coming up. On that Bendable, I'm going to change that. I just want to see how to use Bendable because that was one of the articles and videos I have done in the past. And I'm just curious. Bendable, let's see what the details there are. If we're going to get it. Doesn't have enough data. I wonder why. Question keywords, newly discovered. Nope, maybe it's just the word Bendable, right? Let's see when we do Bendable. There we go. And it doesn't give you really any, it gives you the questions. Yep, and it gives you some of the top rankings on there, which is interesting. The related keywords, and you can see the impressions with the keywords. So you can really get some different information using this Microsoft Bing Webmaster Tools. I hope this has been helpful for you, especially with the AI performance, so that you don't have to spend money on some fancy tools between Bing and also the Google Analytics, which I have another video on. I'll make sure the link's here so you can also see information on the citations through that. They are different, so just to be aware. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.